staff and students of Sahyadri institutions and the press. 18th November 2002 will long be remembered in history as the day Bandari Foundation was born. It was a day the foundation began its successful journey. On behalf of everyone here, I salute the foundation for having completed 7 glorious years. In these years, it has left many a footprint in the educational and social cause. Founded by Mr. Manjunath Bandari, its vision was making the world a better place to live and to change the lives for the better. He is ably supported by his better half, the Secretary, Mrs. Prasanna Bandari, other trustees, Mr. Shankar Alva, Mr. Balakrishna Bandari, Mr. Dedas Hegde, also our project head, Mr. Jagannath Chowda, and Mr. Vijay Rai. Mr. Bandari has a team of excellent principals and faculty. Complimenting the foundation for all its achievements and wishing it more success in the coming days, let us begin our celebrations. The biggest scientist of this universe is God, the supernatural power, who has crafted this universe so well. Let us try to connect to Him through a prayer and seek His blessings. May I now call upon the students of Sahyadri Institute of Teachers Education for the invocation.
Amsavahini Jnanadayini Amba Vimalamati De Amba Vimalamati De Jagashir Mor Banaye Bharat Vah Bala Vikrama De Amba Vimalamati De साहसशील हृदय में भर दे जीवन त्याग तपोमय कर दे साहसशील हृदय में भर दे जीवन त्याग तपोमय कर दे संयम सत्य स्नेह का भर दे स्वाभिमान भर दे हे हम सवाहिनी ज्ञानदायिनी अम्ब विमलमति दे अम्ब विमलमति दे लव कुश ध्रुव प्रहलाद बने हम मानवता का त्रास हरे हम लव कुश ध्रुव प्रहलाद बने हम मानवता का त्रास हरे हम सीता सावित्री दुर्गा सिर घर घर भर दे हे हम सवाहिनी ज्ञानदायिनी अम्ब विमलमति दे अम्ब विमलमति दे अम्ब विमलमति दे अम्ब विमलमति दे.
Dr. D.R. Prabhakar, Principal, Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, is one of the finest administrators in this region. An excellent and dedicated teacher, his appetite for knowledge is amazing. May I now call upon Dr. D.R. Prabhakar to deliver the welcome address. Over to you.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Vijay Prakash, our guest of honor, Mrs. Ashwini Nachappa, the chairman of Bandari Foundation, Mr. Manjunath Bandari, and all other dignitaries on and off the dais, staff of Bandari Educational Institutions, both teaching and non-teaching, students of Sahyadri Educational Institutions, staff members of other Bandari institutions belonging to Bandari Foundation. Invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, press and media. Bandari Foundation, headed by our chairman, Mr. Manjunath Bandari, has successfully completed 7 years since its inception. Achievement of the foundation. May the Almighty shower blessings on them to attain more success and fame. Now, with great pleasure, I would like to welcome our two high-profile guests of today's program. On behalf of the Sahyadri family, I extend a hearty welcome to Dr. Vijay Prakash, KS, Commissioner, Mangalore Municipal Corporation. He is doing a lot of good work in Mangalore. In spite of his extremely busy schedule, he has made himself available for this program. I welcome you, sir. I call upon Dr. Raja KG, Principal, Sahyadri College of Management, to welcome him with a bouquet. Our guest of honor, Mrs. Ashwini Nachappa, an Olympian, an Arjuna Awardee, is a very popular sprinter of the 80s and 90s. By beating Paioli Express PT Usha twice, she became a household name. An extremely successful sprinter and winner of many awards, Madam is extremely busy with her coaching academy. In spite of that, she has graced this occasion. I extend a warm welcome to you, Madam. I call upon Mrs. Abanti Gopan, Director, to present a bouquet. Our chairman, Mr. Manjunath Bhandari, needs no introduction. He is an extremely busy person for whom sky is the limit. He has worked very hard to make Bhandari Foundation and Sahyadri institutions what they are today. I welcome you, sir. I call upon Professor Jacinta Vegas, Vice Principal, Sahyadri Nursing College, to welcome him with a bouquet. I welcome our Secretary, Mrs. Prasanna Bhandari, who is a keen participant in all our activities. I welcome you, Madam. And also I hearty welcome to Miss Diksha Bhandari. I welcome our trustees, Mr. Devdas Hegde, Mr. Jagannath Chauta, and Mr. Vijay Rai. I also welcome the other members of Bhandari Foundation, Mr. Jagannath Hegde, Mrs. Balakrishna Bhandari, Mr. Mahabala Alwa, and all other members of Bhandari Foundation. Let me now welcome all our invited guests and parents to this program. I also welcome the project head and staff of Sri Bhandari Constructions. On behalf of everybody, I welcome principals, vice principals, HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff, students of Sahyadri educational institutions. I cannot forget the press who will give us the necessary coverage tomorrow. I welcome you to this celebration, sirs. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Knowledge which removes ignorance. Oil in the lamp symbolizes our negative thoughts and wick the ego. When lit by spiritual knowledge, the negative thoughts get exhausted and our ego perishes. Hence, lighting the lamp is very significant in our life. May I now invite Dr. Vijay Prakash, Mrs. Ashwini Nachappa, and all the dignitaries for the lighting ceremony. There is Foundation Day celebration is a platform where all the sister concerns meet and share their achievements, experiences, and path strode by them in the previous year. The widely toured, the well-informed, the quality-conscious administrator, and the person chiefly responsible for all that we see today, Mr. Manjunath Bhandari, will be briefing us about all the Sahyadri institutions. May I now invite our beloved chairman for the foundation glance. Over to you, sir.
Ashwini Nachappa and all the faculty members and trustees, my dear students and friends from media and all my well-wishers. I am really very happy on this occasion because we already completed 7th successful year. This is our 8th year begins from today. This foundation I started with different intention, but that ended with the educational field. For this success, I am not only the reason. For this success, so many friends, well-wishers, and God blessings and friends' wishes was there to reach this position. Especially well-wishers like Dr. Vijay Prakash, Ashwini Nachappa, and so many others. Their support, their wishes, I can only build these institutions. I know Dr. Vijay Prakash since when he joined his profession, I think more than 20 years. Since from that day, we are very proud that day when Vijay Prakash joined as an officer. We are feeling that we are part of that. Wherever we go, we are proudly saying we know Dr. Vijay Prakash because he was one of the finest officer this Karnataka state can see. He was so committed guy, so knowledgeable guy. He worked in a different field. But his simplicity, his hard work, his concern toward this society made proud us and also same time to reach him to this position. See, this person's simplicity, I never invited to my college